Hey, what's up guys? Many people ask me about my phone's wallpapers. On Instagram and YouTube comment section, many people ask me how do you download your wallpapers? Then let me tell you guys, I download many wallpapers with random websites and random apps. These apps also available on Play Stores. But today in this video I'm going to show you one wallpaper app. But most important thing about this app, you experience liquid glass. Okay, first download this app on your Galaxy device. This app absolutely free and this app download link available on description. After download, simply tap and open. After open, log in with Google or skip. Now tap on allow and look at this guys. Before start, on screen, two options, liquid glass or minimal. You experience liquid glass, then simply tap on liquid glass and tap on apply. Again tap on skip and look at these many beautiful wallpapers with categories in this app. Okay, look at this guys. Tap on collection with many categories and tap on mockup. You also choose your device. Guys, you also set wallpapers for your PC. Now, okay, let me show you. Look at this. This is completely look like iOS 26 liquid glass. This animation also completely look like iOS 26 liquid glass. Look at this. If I scroll wallpaper, now look at this liquid glass effect behind this option. Okay, let me show you original liquid glass with iPhone. Look at this guys, this is real liquid glass. Look at this little bit bouncy animation. Now let me show you this Android liquid glass. Look at this bouncy animation also in this app. Look at this top side. Okay, let me show you side by side comparison. Look at this guys, this bouncy animation 99% similar to real liquid glass. And you also download many beautiful wallpapers with this app. Guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.